Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta and today's video is gonna be about this cute hair that I have on. So I DIY'd these passion twist hair and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look here, please stay tuned and enjoy the video. And credits to this video is going to LOVETH Specs. Yes, LOVETH Specs, she does an amazing job. If you want to check out her channel, I would leave this her channel link in the description box. Yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any questions. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Bye. Alright guys, so I have two straight hairs. These are canicolon hair for braiding. This is the hair that you use for braiding. I have that here, 2 packs, and then I have my straws right here, and I have my brush to comb the hair, and I have scissors to cut the hair and trim the hair as well. So yeah, so I have a number 1B because that matches my hair a lot. I have two colors. One is 1B and then the other color is a 33, color 33. I guess 99J or color 33. Yes, so that's what I have. So what I'm doing right now, I'm cutting the hair off from the packaging and the rubber band, and then I'm gonna mix the two hairs together. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the two hairs together and then cut it like so. Make sure both hairs are of the same length, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in the middle, as you can see. So both of these lengths are the same. That's what you want the hair to be like. Both lengths have to be the same. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix the 99J and color black together. I'm gonna be separating them and mixing, putting them back together. It's kind of like a way of mixing hair together. So you separate it and then put it back together until I'm satisfied with how mixed it is. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so when you're done mixing, the hair is all mixed up, but then the ends are very blunt. So I'm gonna go ahead and feather out the hairs, and that's what you see me doing right now. I'm gonna feather out the hair, and so that the ends can look like a feathered look, because we don't want blunt ends when we braid the hair. Okay, so that's what I did, and by the time you're done feathering out the hair, it's gonna look so rough. It's gonna look very rough, but that's okay. We are going to take our brush and then comb it out. We're gonna comb all the tangles out until it is smooth and there's no tangles on it anymore. As you can see, it is smooth right now. And now what I'm doing is I'm taking my straw and then I'm gonna be twisting the hair around the straw. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Make sure you're twisting it while you're rolling it on the straw, because you want it to be really curly, so you can't just roll it flat. It has to be twisted while you're rolling, so that when you put it in hot water, because we're gonna put this hair in hot water so that it can be like really curly. So if you twist like a cutaway, you're gonna take a bobby pin a bobby pin and then secure that part, and then you're gonna keep twisting on the straw until you get to the other end, not all the way at the end, but like 3/4 away from the end, and then we're gonna come back and reverse twist again. We're gonna reverse twist until we don't have hair anymore. As you guys can see, and now we're gonna take the other end and also secure it with a bobby pin. So it's very easy. It's like self-explanatory. If you look at the video, you can tell, you'll be able to understand what I'm doing, because it's kind of hard to explain. So by the time you're done rolling everything on the straws, it's supposed to look like this. Everything is like rolled on the straw and tied on there. Looks really nice. Yeah. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to put everything inside a bowl. Make sure your bowl is deep enough. You need a deep bowl because we're gonna put hot water on top of these. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just pouring my hot water. This is boiling water, not just hot, but it's boiling, so it's very hot. You want your water to be boiling. So I did boil my water in my kettle because that's the fastest way I can get this. So as you can see, this hair is not all soaked in water. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the top ones are up there. They're not soaked in the water, but the bottom ones are in water. So I'm gonna quickly boil another water. That's why I'm using a kettle, and I'm gonna pour it on top of it so every single strand can be soaked inside the water. As you can see, now we have more water and all the hair is touching the water. That's what you want. Yeah, this water is very hot, so guys, be very careful when you're doing this, and do not do this in front of kids or close to your kids, because you never can tell what's gonna happen. So by the time I'm done, I took everything off the water after 5 to 10 minutes, and then I put it in my strainer. Let the water drain a little, and then I'm gonna put it on top of a towel. So we put it on top of a towel, leave it overnight to dry. As you guys can see, it's already dried. So that's what it looks like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and unravel the hair from the straw. And that's what I'm doing. Just pull it forward and everything is gonna come off. It's as simple as that. Not complicated at all. And as you can see, the hair is looking so curly and cute. It looks really cute. I like it. So you can go ahead and separate it if you want, but if you don't want to separate, you can leave it like that. But you're eventually gonna need to separate it when you're braiding it on your hair. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and separate them now. That's what it looks like. Separate it. And we're gonna keep doing that until we're done with everything. So guys, this is what the hair looks like. This one you're seeing right now is not separated, so I just wanted to show you guys how it's gonna look not separated. And this one here is separated already, so all I gotta do is pick it up and start braiding my hair. So that's the difference between the two. I just want to show you guys how it looks separated and how it is not separated. So yeah, I went ahead and installed this hair, guys, and this is what it's looking like. It looks really cute. I like it. And I'm gonna have this for about 3 weeks to a month. So I like that I can easily just put my hair in a bun and go out. So what I'm doing now is I am putting some mousse on the hair to tame any frizzes that I might have. So that's what I'm doing. It looks really cute and I love it. So this is gonna have a part 2, and that's gonna be the installation of this hair. Okay guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Until I see you next time, bye.